Hi, welcome back to another book review. Okay, so this is, I know, missing a dust cover, which is okay. So this is Fashion in the 40s and 50s by Dorner. I got this on, I believe, Thrift Books. I paid a couple dollars for it because it was missing the dust jacket and I didn't care. So I don't have a cover for you to see, but it's 8.5 by 11.5. And you've seen the spine, and there is the back. So let's take a look at this. This is a pretty thick book. I took a glance at it already when I got it in the mail. And these are really thick paper type pages. So Fashion in the 40s and 50s. So this is probably maybe what the cover looks like, or the dust jacket. This is 1975. So let's take a look at this book. Lots and lots of images. Look at that. The little girls. Really neat. Lots of fussy cutting I could do. Again, I think I only paid a couple dollars for this book. Definitely worth it. I love the black and white images. This is a pale pink. This is a pale pink. Lots of ladies to fussy cut, for sure. And they're, you know, the pages are really matte. There's no gloss on this at all. Let's see if I'm in frame for you a little bit. Okay. Definitely like this. Look at those. Every page has an illustration or picture that can be fussy cut out. And the thing about this book is it's sewn in, so the pages can be taken out if you wanted to use the pages as a whole. It's actually kind of interesting reading. Somebody has underlined stuff in this one. Marilyn Monroe. James Dean. Oh, look at these. Oh, these are kind of cool. They're nice and small to put on little collaging cards. Oh, here's pictures of fabric. Oh, this would be neat too to do collaging with. This was definitely a good buy without seeing the inside of the book. I was just taking a chance on it, so. Real cool. I mean, they have fashion for everything in this book. Every occasion, and oh, look at that. Accessories. Find your hair cover. Oh, look at all the different hats. Look at that. Jewelry, glasses, necklaces. I like these little images here. Shoes. Well, that's a neat pocket idea. I didn't think of that. Huh. All right. So that was Fashion in the 40s and 50s by Dorner. Definitely a great book if you're doing retro journals and stuff like that. Yep, awesome find. All right, thanks so much. All right, bye.